Hello students, welcome to our social science class. In today's video, we will practice the map work from class 8 social science chapter number 1 natural resources and their use. Page number 9 distribution of important minerals. First we are going to show today coal fields. These are 6 important coal fields in India. First, Zaria in Jharkhand, Bokaro in Jharkhand, Raniganj, West Bengal, Talcher, Odisha, Korba, Chhattisgarh, and Neyveli, Tamil Nadu. So keep your India political map or atlas ready and mark these locations along with me. Let's begin. Our first coal field is Zaria, located in the state of Jharkhand. Mark Zaria in eastern India. Next is Bokaro, also in Jharkhand. Mark it close to Zaria. Now move to West Bengal and mark Raniganj. Raniganj is one of the oldest coal field in India and has played a significant role in the country, including development. Next, go to Odisha. Talcher is an important coal mine region that supplies coal to many thermal power plants. Now, Korba in Chhattisgarh. Korba is known as one of the India's major coal producing district and is an important center for electricity generation. Finally, move to Tamil Nadu in southern India and mark Neyveli. Neyveli is famous for its lignite brown coal deposit and is well known for thermal generation.